Good noon, my dear children or kids, respected guardians, parents, and all viewers. In the previous classes, I have already discussed about English standard for chapter 1, chapter 2. But during COVID-19 situation, the syllabus has been reduced up to 30%. So I'll furnish you some topic of the lesson Trojan horse, chapter 3, standard 4. But let's start summary of the topic Trojan horse. Trojan horse means a Trojan horse means the gigantic, huge or big or large wooden horse inside. That means inside which the Greeks entered a Troy. That means a war broke out between Greece and Troy. That means come back to Helen, the beautiful wife of Greek general Menelaus. The Trojan prince brought Helen to Troy, was returning her. That means Greek attacked the city of Troy. Then let's come to topic. That means the people of Troy have built a Trojan wall, a sturdy wall with the guard towers. That means no one could enter the city of Troy. That means the Greeks made several attempts to break the wall of unlock the gates but could not succeed. The last moment, Greeks had failed to enter the city of Troy. The Ulysses, that means the Greek general, is a very wiseful person. The Ulysses, Greek general, had come to his mind. That means he summoned the soldiers, explained what is mind. That means came to his mind. That means Ulysses built a giant wooden horse, not like such as iron wooden horse or steel horse. That means a giant wooden horse. That means the horse had wheels to make it move. That means along with the soldiers inside the giant horse. That means what is the intention? What is the purpose of this to build the giant wooden horse? That means Ulysses and his soldiers inside the giant horse, and they can defeat the city of Troy and win the war. That means the next people of Troy, the Greeks going away, there was a smoke coming out the burnt tents. They convinced that Greeks already had left the town, and they sent the giant horse. They assumed to be a statue of Greek gods. And they took the horse inside and began to celebrate this celebration. That means observations, and they can festival so. And that means in the night, when the people of Troy went up to sleep, Ulysses and his soldiers came out of the horse. That means the guards of Troy saw the Greeks alerted the army, and war began in no time. That means city of Troy was in the hands of Greek general, but the city of Troy could not know what was happened. But the wise Ulysses not only took a comeback to Helen, but also taught a lesson the Prince of Paris. That means the Trojan Prince Paris. Okay, this is the story. This is the summary of the story. And if there is any doubt, you can contact with me also. But it is a very good, interesting story also. Trojan horse. That means Trojan horse is the city of Troy and Greece, and that means the city of Troy is located in Turkey, Western Turkey, and. This is the story, and this is the story. That means the Trojan horse. Read it mindfully and do practice again and again on Trojan horse. And so follow a textbook and also hard copy. Words and meaning, difficult words and meaning, synonym words. That means first, Trojan horse. Gigantic means huge or big or large wooden horse inside which the Greeks entered Troy. War. Fight between two countries. Take back, accept, receive or admit, returning, bring, come, carrying or face or led. Present form, bring, past form, brought, past participle form, brought. Returning, that is the progressive form, the ing form. Base form, return, come back. Repay, reappear, yield, restore, etc. Present form, return. Past form, return. Past participle form, returned. Attack. Try to hurt or defeat using force assault, invade, encounter, etc. Present form attack, past form attacked, past participle form attacked, built, construction, structure, etc. Present form built, built, past form, past participle form built. Sturdy, hardy, hard, that means the main form hard, that means hardy, and strong, well set, thick, stout, firm, etc. Succeed, that is the verb. Prosper, flourish, follow, etc. Noun, success. Despite, in spite of, by, that means eha satve suddha, Udiya meaning. Efforts, attempts, trial, endeavor, activity, etc. Fail, not succeed, fall, miss, lose, etc. Present form fail, past form failed, past participle form failed. Choose the correct option. Question number A. The story revolves around the war between Greece and Troy. First options India and Pakistan, Greece and Troy, Troy and Rome. That means Greece and Troy. This is the right correct answer. Number 2. Where is the city of Troy located? The city of Troy is located in Greek. B option Turkey. C Baluchistan. Turkey the right answer. Number 3. Savior of the Troy city was the dash. Troy soldiers, iron gates, sturdy wall with the guard towers. Sturdy wall with the guard towers. Option C is the correct answer. Number 4. What was the name of wife of Greek general Menelaus? Number A Helen, B Helen, number C Melen. That means Helen the right answer. Next, turn the page. Words and meaning: return, back, come back, region, etc. Staring means observing, aiming, watching, etc. Present form stare, stared. Problem, difficult, trouble, etc. Said, tell, speak, utter, etc. Present form say, said, past participle said. Suddenly, immediately, at once, etc. Idea, that means similar word, notion. Explained, explicited, illustrated, expounded, etc. Present form explain, past form explained, past participle form explained. Executed, implemented, carry out, etc. Base form execute, that means present form execute, past form executed, past participle form executed. Let's giant, huge, big, large, mammoth, etc. If remember. Number B, choose the correct option. The name of Greek general was Greek god Ulysses, Trojan, Ulysses. Number 2, what was the name of prince of Troy? Number A, Ulysses. Number B, Menelaus. Number C, Paris. Paris is the right answer. Paris. Trojan prince named Paris, the name of prince of Troy. Number 3, many soldiers were hidden inside the huge desk. Iron horse, steel horse, wooden horse. Okay, this is the words and difficult words and meaning and question answer. That means let's choose the correct amount, true or false. Next class, I will provide some short answer questions like number 1, 2, 3 and also inside your book also. Okay, thank you so much, and if there is any doubt you contact with me, and God bless you, read attentively, and thanks a lot to everyone.